Want to share one memory with you guys. When I was in my 11th, I went to a science camp and it was in Kolkata. So there, hey everyone, this is Dibyendu Dash with an amazing new video. So here I am to share my first week of college experience with you guys. So I am in Coach Bihar Government Engineering College now and pursuing my BTech course in electronics engineering. So everyone has a expectation about the first day of college, and it's so much special because you are going to join a new place and you are gonna meet so many different people from so many different places. So it's special day for everyone, and I had so many expectation about the first day of college because Bollywood teaches us about the wrong things, I know, and you know it too. So coming to the point, though I had so many expectations about my first day of college, it ended up so badly. Last week, my college started and I had to join my first day of college in Google Meet. Yep, you heard it right, it was virtually. So, as an online class, or maybe you can speak like as an virtual meet, it was too boring, not so much fun, and I didn't feel like that I am joining a new college and I'm going to a new place. Not, it was like we are joining those colleges, classes from home. So it didn't feel like that. So you can say that pandemic ruined my first day of college properly. So coming to my next point, I thought that I would make so many friends in college. Yep, I have met so many interesting people in my college, and though all things are going virtually, but I can say that they are so many friendly and I am enjoying their company. One thing I should definitely mention that my seniors are so humble and helpful to us, and they, like, I can seek for help or any suggestions to them anytime I need. They are so helpful. So one thing I would share with you guys, last week we had a debate competition. There, it was so fun and I really enjoyed that, but I want to share one memory with you guys. When I was in my 11th, I went to a science camp and it was in Kolkata. So there we were supposed to join a participate in a debate competition. So let me tell you one thing, that English language was mandatory there, and I was not fluent in English and not even now. So I had a little bit experience in my school days about debate and all those things. So I participated in that debate competition, but I was too nervous about that because I had to speak in English in front of so many people for the first time. So being nervous, I ended up by barely speaking 2 or 3 words. So when I joined my college debate club, I thought that I would do my best. I would do my best to speak English fluently. So I participated in the first debate competition and it was really fun and I enjoyed a lot. So that's how my first week of college was going, and it was really, I may not made them in my real life, it was all in virtual, but I really enjoyed the first week of my college. And I was sad because I can't join a IIT or NIT, but I'm so happy because I have all those friends and I have all those seniors, and our college is a new college, but I hope it would be much better in coming 4 or 5 years, and it would be one of the best colleges in West Bengal in upcoming years. So that was my first week experience of joining my college. And one thing I would definitely mention, that I was really sad when I lost my 12th. After completing my 12th standard, I lost so many friends of my school, and I was sad about that. But after joining the college, I made so many new people, and they're like, I can explore so many people. And one thing about people, you can learn from people more than from a book, because different people have different personalities and you can learn from them. Everyone has a different nature and everyone's have something to teach you. I do believe that. So that's why people are so many important to me. And being an you may call me ambivert, because I sometimes I feel like I'm introvert and sometimes I feel like I'm extrovert. So you may call me ambivert. So being an ambivert, I do like people sometimes, but actually one thing I wanted to explore in my college life, that was people and how to interact with people properly. So I'm enjoying that kind situation now. So that was it, all about my first week of college experience. So that's it for today. I hope you would enjoyed this video. So give me some thumbs up, and if you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment section. Leave me a comment about the first week experience or the first day experience of your college life. So let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.